Hey friends, welcome back to Nom on a Budget. I've been traveling a lot for the holidays, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. So today I'm sharing a quick cozy recipe that you can make anytime. We're whipping up a spicy vegan pasta and it's made easy in the Instant Pot. It's budget friendly, bold, and perfect for when you want some comfort food quick. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll have a full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions. Let's get cooking. Let's start with 1 onion. Dice it up nice and small. Just try not to cry. This recipe hasn't earned your tears yet. Once it's chopped, set it aside. We're not cooking anything just yet. We're just getting prepped. Now, let's build the base of our tomato sauce. I'm adding 2 cans of fire-roasted tomatoes straight into the blender. These already have a ton of flavor, so we're getting a head start right out of the gate. Blend them up until they're completely smooth, no chunks here. This is going to be the foundation of our sauce, and trust me, it's about to be so good. Next, we're setting the Instant Pot to sauté mode. Add a little oil and let it heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in the onions we prepped earlier. Give them a stir and let them sauté for about 5 minutes, just until they're softened and nice and fragrant. We're not browning them, just waking them up. Alright, 5 minutes are up, so turn off sauté mode. Now we're adding 2 cups of vegetable broth straight into the pot. Just pour it in and let it sit for now. We're letting all those flavors hang out and get ready for the next step. No mixing needed just yet, let it chill. Next, we're adding our blended tomatoes from earlier straight into the pot. This completes the base of our sauce. All that flavor we're building now is coming together. Look at that color, already winning. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. This little guy packs a ton of flavor and deepens the richness of our sauce. Tiny amount, huge impact. Alright, time for the spices. We're starting simple with 1 teaspoon of salt. This little guy wakes up all the flavors in our sauce, so don't skip it. Just sprinkle it in and get ready for the rest of the spice party. Next up, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. This little mix of herbs is a flavor cheat code. It brings that classic Italian vibe to our sauce. Sprinkle it in and let it hang out with the salt we added earlier. Now we're kicking things up a notch with 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Just enough to give the sauce a little heat without burning your tongue off. Sprinkle them in and let that flavor magic start its work. Last spice for our base, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just enough to add a little bite and balance all the flavors we've built so far. Sprinkle it in and call it done for the spice squad. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Garlic is a game changer. It wakes up the sauce and adds that savory depth we all crave. Once it's in, give everything a good stir so all those tomatoes, spices, and garlic come together. Look at that color and aroma. This is the base of the sauce that's about to be legendary. Alright, time for pasta. I'm adding about 12 ounces of penne pasta, but seriously, pick whatever you want. Penne, spaghetti, whatever. This sauce is ready to hug it and make it taste legendary. Don't rush this part. Imagine each piece soaking up all that flavor we just built. Yep, it's going to be that good. Time to lock it down. Seal the lid on your Instant Pot and set the pressure to cook for 6 minutes. This is where those flavors start to mingle and level up. It's going to be magic. Alright, the cook time is up. First, let the Instant Pot naturally release pressure for 5 minutes. That little pause lets everything settle and keeps that pasta perfectly tender. After that, go ahead and do a manual pressure release to get the rest of the pressure out. Once it's safe, lift the lid, give everything a good stir, and just look at that. Perfectly cooked pasta swimming in a rich, flavorful sauce. If you're thinking about trying this, hit that like button. Also, stick around because I'm going to dig in and give it a taste. And trust me, you'll want to see this. Alright, moment of truth. Let's give this a try. Okay, this pasta came out perfectly cooked. And that spice level is right on point. Bold, savory, and just the right amount of heat. The sauce really clings to the noodles, and you get so much flavor in every bite without a lot of effort. For something that comes together so fast in the Instant Pot, it is seriously impressive. It is simple, filling, and exactly the type of budget-friendly meals I like to make on a busy day. If you're thinking about giving this recipe a try, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Nom on a Budget for more easy recipes. Also, be sure to check out my playlists for more quick, affordable recipes you can make at home. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.